It was Thanksgiving evening, and Tommybob slept, while over his pillow Thanksgiving dreams crept. They whispered the while he grew rigid with fear, "Look out, for the ghosts of the slaughtered are near." Alack, though he strained and he struggled to rise, he was held down by pickles of marvelous size. They stood like policemen, each side of his bed, with revolvers of cinnamon aimed at his head. Then in walked a turkey, bespattered with mud, and with gobbles which curdled poor Tommybob's blood. The lack of a liver and load of fine dressing made it beat with its drumsticks until 'twas distressing. It perched on the footboard and whispered, "I'll stay and hiccup, young man, till next Thanksgiving Day." While inward commotion young Tommy was feeling, some celery sprang from his chest to the ceiling, and under the shade of its fast-growing trees, a pepper box waltzed with a piece of green cheese. Fried oysters rode bicycles made of minced pies, and each took a header right into his eyes. A plum pudding camped on a terrible ache, and doubled its fist at a large jelly cake, while raisins unnumbered fell over in fits, which frightened poor Tommybob out of his wits. As the nuts fell like hail, someone sounded a gong, and at once all the company joined in a song. "Woe, woe to thee, Tommybob, many a night, we'll dance on thy bed till thou tremblest with fright. Till thou learnest that thy stomach should not be abused, for know that thy gluttony shall ne'er be excused." Then at Tommy they sprang, he uttered a groan, and lo, they all vanished, and he was alone. Tommybob decided a greedy young sinner has to pay a big price for a Thanksgiving dinner, and that eating to live will make a much finer living than living to eat, as he did on Thanksgiving.
If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.